once again, my name is Jayson and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, JRodix TV. Alright guys, so today we're going to grant another request of one of our friends from Northeast India. She's the one who first write a comment from my previous video yesterday guys. So she is cast through Konjeng Bam and she wants me to react this kind of a music, a maniform music, Langlagi Jagoi. Alright, and this was uploaded by H360 Pictures, so thank you so much. And yes, we're going to introduce first the cast here. Wow, there are a lot of artists here. But I think these two names here, these two names here are so familiar for me. Bala and Biju Bam. Yeah, these two ladies here are not familiar for me, but let's see or let's watch their performance now. Okay, Ethoi and Halley. Yeah, and this is our official music video release 2022. And what else? Yeah, the singer here are Fusparani. Wow, I know Fusparani. I know the this voice, guys. The voice of this lady, guys. It's so high pitch, guys. Very, very nice voice. And Freety, yeah, Freety Yunam and Shusmita. Wow, these three ladies or singers here are so famous now from there are so famous singer in Manipur, or not only, I don't know if only in Manipur or around Northeast India, guys. Okay, so before we start, guys, for those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe first to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. So what are you waiting for, guys? Let's start now. Let's see what kind of music this will be. Oh. Who's this? Oh, look at the is this a house? Langlagi or Langlagi Jagoi. Oh. Wow. What a voice. Wow. Very beautiful lady. Look at behind here. What's this? Biju? Oh. What a song this one. Oh. Just like I'm watching, you know, just like I'm watching Angel from this earth, guys. Oh, who's this? This is Ethoi or Halley? sorry guys, I'm not familiar with these two ladies here, guys. Look at the lady here. She's... Wow, what is that? Oh, the song was so solemn, guys, for me. Oh, look at their dress. Wow! There's a lot of angel here. You know, guys, the natural beauty of Manipuri here, guys. It's look like, you know, let's say the goddess beauty. Wow! They look like an angel dancing in this earth. Oh, sorry, I forget you. Bala Hejam. She's so familiar for me. Until now, Bala. Bala Hejam, my God. Push for running, boys. Wow. Oh, the voice, guys. It's, I feel what they say, huh? From these lyrics. Wow. Go, girls! Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much for this song, guys. Wala hey job. Wow, there's a lot of ladies here. Not only ladies, guys, but let's observe. Oh wow, guys, that was our song for today, Langlagi Jagoi. What do you say about this music? Oh my goodness. Woo! I think my eyes saw, guys. It's so happy now. Wow, there's a lot of angel dancing in this earth, guys. Wow, the goddess beauty. The natural beauty of Manipur or Manipuri ladies. I would say that there are the goddess of beauty. Wow, my goodness. I'm so enjoy to watch you guys. Thank you so much. And thank you so much also for our friends that the one who request this song, Castro Conjengbang. Wow, I like your request. Sister, yes, sister. So, what else, guys? And also the singer here. Wow, very professional singer. Yeah, Pushparani, pretty Sushmita, no doubt. I like it, your voice. So very, very lovely to hear. Yeah. So thank you so much also for the uploader of this song, H360 Pictures. Alright guys, that was our reaction video for today. Okay, I so enjoy. I'm so happy to watch it, especially for those ladies here. Wow, I can't believe that all of these the cast here, guys, is mostly ladies. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for having me here until the end of this reaction video. I'm so thankful that you're still there to end this reaction of video that I made it for you, all of you guys. And thank you so much again for those subscribing my channel and to help me to get these 6,000 subscribers. Yeah, 6,000 subscribers, guys. Please help me to reach this 6,000 subscribers, guys, because that was my target now. So guys, see you on my next reaction of video. I love you all, guys, and thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.